What's going on, guys? Zach here from Northern Outdoors with your Forks Area Trail Report. I took about a 40-mile ride out of the lodge today. Pleasant Pond Trail, Bald Mountain Trail. I saw some sections of 87 and 86. I know we're into March, but don't count this year's snowmobile season out yet. We've entered the spring conditions phase of this year's snowmobile season. With these warmer temps and the spring powerful sun, some of those south-facing slopes and corners are definitely getting thin. The coverage out there on some of the road sections of trails is still really good. The Bald Mountain Trail, the Pleasant Pond Trail, the Divide Road, all of those sections are really nice right now. The Forks Area Trail Club grooming team will continue to go out at the end of this week and this weekend. It's been a wicked cold winter, so it's kind of nice getting out there riding in the sun when your hands aren't freezing. So come on up to the Forks, get out there while you still can. Spring riding is one of my favorite times of year. Hope to see you guys up here real soon. We'll keep an eye out for you. Ride safe out there, guys.